About a year ago, I made an electric skateboard. It was pretty amazing project and I learned a lot from it. And in the future, I would like to make another one, which will be an improved version than my previous one. And one of the area in which I would like to improve is the controller, since the one I made was pretty basic and bulky. So recently when Banggood reached out to me, I knew what exactly I wanted. So in this video, I will show you this new electric skateboard controller from FlipSky, which even works with VESC. So let's get started. This video is brought to you by Banggood.com. So this is how the box of controller looks like, and you can see it is made by FlipSky. Inside the box you can find the user manual, which is in English, and we probably don't need that. Next up we have our radio controller itself. After which we have some cables for our receiver, and I will show you how to connect them later. They also provide a micro USB cable for charging the remote itself, which is a plus point. And lastly we have our receiver, which is really tiny, and as you can see all the connections are marked on the back side of the receiver. Now let's first talk about the remote itself. I have to say, as soon as I held it in my hand, it felt and looked like it was made from really premium grade rubberized plastic. The remote also comes with this wrist strap, so you don't accidentally drop the remote while riding. The first button on the controller is the power button. When you press it for 2 seconds, it turns on and gives a vibration feedback. Along with that, the two LEDs on the remote turns on. The green one is power LED, and the red one, which is blinking, is a multi-purpose LED, which we will understand later on. Right now, when it's blinking red, it means it is trying to connect to the receiver. So let's first connect the receiver to our ESC. So to connect the receiver to our ESC, we have two options. If you are using a regular ESC, then you can simply connect the input pin of ESC to the receiver like this, and it will work without any problem. But if you have an VESC like me, then you should use a provided cable in the box to connect to it, which is preferred for an VESC. And if you don't know what VESC is, then I have made a dedicated video on that topic. You can watch it later on. Also, if you don't understand how to connect the cables, don't worry, the user manual is pretty good and they have given the proper wiring in that. Now it's time to power on the ESC. I am using two 3S LiPo batteries in the parallel for power. After powering on the ESC, you will see the receiver's blue LED starts blinking. So now as soon as you power on the remote, you can see the blue LED on the receiver and the red LED on the remote get stable, which means they both are connected. But for some reason, let's say they don't get connected, you can easily pair them by holding these two buttons on the remote, and it will pair it to the receiver very easily. Now let's talk about the multi-purpose LED. After getting connected, you can see it's red, which means it's on high power acceleration mode, which will be very fast as you can see. By pressing this button once, you can change between the modes. Right now it's on red mode, which is for high power mode. Yellow one is medium power, and lastly we have the green mode, which is the low power mode. Here the acceleration will be slow, but on the plus side you will get better mileage of your skateboard. Lastly, if you wish to get the battery level of your skateboard on the remote, you can simply connect the white wire which comes with the remote to the battery pack as shown in the schematic. So overall, I would like to say that this remote is really good for its price tag of $40, and I will be using this in my next build. So that's it for now. If you wish to purchase this remote, you can find the link in the video description, and I will see you guys in the next one.